going, sweetie? Up, 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 up. Go, clever girl. Yeah, stand up there now, sitting down. 1, 2, 3. Good girl, clever girl. You're going to try and climb up it, are you? Up. 1. How do you go? 1, 2. That's it. You're going to jump off? You got to get up the top first. Yeah, good girl. That's it. All the way up the top. Oh. Yeah, you got to stand up there first. No, you're not doing it. Gonna pick a flower, are you? Pick a flower? Oh, is that for Mummy? Yeah, you gonna come and give it to me? Oh, you're gonna give it to Daddy, are you?